told me that they can't do it because all the writing is synced together.
Look at it.
Yeah, it looks good.
You get good font. I typed this up myself. I typed it up myself, and I printed it out on a sheet of paper, and then I gave it to him. And then he basically, copied it.
How much you pay for that?
Ready, huh?
This one cost me $200, but I live up in New York.
All right, heads back.
Heads back. Okay. Are we gonna shoot up now? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh shit! Oh man! Oh, that's fucking awesome, baby! Oh shit!
Oh my God, huh?
I wonder if we could pay for the DVD now.
Yeah, we can.
Oh shit! That's fucking
It's gonna
awesome.
drop us, I think.
Oh man, that's fucking crazy. It's gonna drop us?
Yeah, I think so.
Shit. Brace yourself.
I am.
Get my head back. Oh
Oh
shit,
my
that was
God.
fucking
That
crazy.
was fucking nuts.
Oh man. That shit on my phone ain't good. Oh man. So where you at? Hit that shit on purpose.